Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So Apple released iOS 15.4, which is still a beta version. It's just for people who are just testing things out. And in this beta version, Apple did something incredible. They introduced Face ID unlock with face mask, which is something that we haven't seen before. Yes, there are some videos on the internet explaining how to unlock Face ID with face mask. So it's something, a workaround to do to be able to unlock Face ID with face mask. But this is a software made by Apple that let you use face mask and at the same time unlock your iPhone. So let's go ahead and see how that works. If I open my iPhone, we see that it is possible to use Face ID with face mask. And it says that yes, it might be better to use your iPhone or to use your Face ID without a face mask. But since this whole pandemic thing happening, there is some workaround, or your iPhone is now more able to recognize the unique features of your face. And that means that you can still keep your face mask on and unlock your Face ID. How many times do you want to pay something at the supermarket and you find yourself like awkwardly putting your face mask off and unlocking your iPhone, opening Apple Pay, and then pay for your groceries, which is a hassle. It would be nice if Apple made something for that, and they just have done so. So let's go ahead and see how that works. You have two options to choose from. There's use Face ID with a mask or don't use Face ID with a mask. I'll go for the first one. So the very first thing we need to do is set up Face ID without a face mask. So your iPhone needs to know who you are without your face mask, obviously. And after that, we need to go further and put our face mask on and proceed with the steps. So let's go ahead and do so. So my very first scan of my face is done. And with the second scan, I need to remove my glasses. I have glasses on, so I need to remove those. So that's what I'm about to do. And it says, just so on the phone, remove your glasses for the second Face ID scan. So let's go ahead and do so. And now I'm done with this whole setup. My iPhone should recognize me while I'm putting this face mask on. So let's go ahead and see if that works. So I'm having my face mask on and I'm unlocking my iPhone and it works. Oh, that's incredible. And it's not like I'm having my face mask on my mouth and not covering my nose. I'm just covering my whole face, and I'll just show you. So as you see here, I'm covering my whole face and still my iPhone recognizes me. So let's go ahead and test it one more time. Okay, so with the second attempt, something went wrong because it didn't recognize me. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Okay, so there are some glitches. It doesn't work immediately, but it still recognizes you. And remember, this is the beta version. I'm sure when Apple releases this feature officially, I think it will be much faster to unlock your iPhone with Face ID. So let's test it one more time because I'm just curious how that works. Okay, so one more time. So the last time I've tested it, it works. It just 2 out of the 3 times it works just fine. It's a bit slower than what you used to have with Face ID without a face mask. So I'm now putting my face mask off. And yeah, with face mask off, obviously it goes way faster than with face mask on. But yeah, it actually works. And I really like this feature. I've just said, many times you find yourself somewhere inside a building and you can't put your face mask off, but still you need to unlock your iPhone. And since I have an alphanumeric code on my iPhone, it's not just 4 numbers that I need to type in. It's a whole series of letters and dashes that I need to fill in before I get my iPhone unlocked. Maybe that's something for a next video. In a future video, I'll show you why it's way better to have an alphanumeric code instead of just a numeric code, a general code like I have here. So if I just show you, so this is not my regular iPhone. I just have an easy code for this one, but this is just a numeric code. But you can also change it into an alphanumeric code. But that's something for a next video. And that's about it. I hope you liked this video. Leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. That helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.